Hello, my name is Melissa Piedrahita. I'm from Colombia. I'm a biomedical engineer. And in this presentation, I'm going to talk about a specific company of the industrial sector. The industrial market is a very broad sector that allows the development of companies, and in the same way, you can see the competitions for products and services. The company that I'm going to talk about today is a Colombian company with 5 years of trajectory. The company works in different engineering fields: planning, designing, and execution of projects with their maintenance, and also the company has a research part. All of this with high quality. The company is located in the center and in the north of the country, supplying the different industrial areas at national and international levels, working with multinationals. The organizational aspects. I'm going to start with the organization chart, and this shows the structure of the company, starting with the board directors, the director of project. And why that part is in red is because this company works for projects. So each project has its own manager and its own team. The common areas, finance, marketing, supply chain, all of this shows how the company works and the relationship between the functional areas of the company. The vision describes the desired future position of the company: to be a consolidated and highly recognized organization in the provision of engineering services nationwide. In the same way, our line of the study of the company will be strengthened, generating added value for the development of society and the conservation of the environment. The mission of the company shows or defines the business of the company, the objective, what the company is doing, and what the company is doing to achieve that objective. Diversified company dedicated to the provision of engineering services in Colombia and abroad for designing, manufacture, assembly, and maintenance of air conditioning systems and air quality control. Likewise, the company developed equipment for the industry, and this allows the company to be a versatile company that adjusts to the needs of each client. Benefiting the pharmaceutical industry, the mining sector, the health sector, the microbiological laboratories, and chemical physics, and others. The company is committed to the effectiveness and quality of the services to guarantee environmental sustainability and the generation of economic and social value. How the companies work with company values. The company values are the fundamental belief of the organization: honesty, righteousness, transparent, trust, coherence, ethics, openness, respect to different points of view, fairness and justice, commitment, timely fulfillment of duties taken charge, and self-demand, loyalty to the organization and to the mission. These values help the company to determine if they are in the right path and fulfilling their goals and objectives by creating an unwavering guide. Marketing information. In the market, you can see companies with long trajectories, and they have the advantage of this experience and the positioning of the brand in the industrial market. Ingenieros is recognized in the market for the development of equipment for the industry, which allows the company to be a versatile company. They work with security and design protocols for the development of projects, and all of this is according to the specific needs of the clients. So the small companies and growing companies, they must work to reach clients. And how companies do this? They do this offering high quality of product with affordable prices. This is some of the projects that the company have developed during these 5 years. In the pharmaceutical industry, mining sector, health sector, microbiological laboratories, and chemical and physics. This is some of them. The services of the company: laboratory furniture, mobile laboratories, cabins and structure goods, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC systems, passbox for clean areas and air control, models and laminar flow cabins, also laboratory accessories, projects and maintenance. So how the organization works? The strategy of the organization is focused on the effectiveness and quality of the project and services that they provide, and all of this to contribute to the environmental sustainability. This strategy is connected to the planning, execution, and development of each project according to the specific needs of each client. So the corporate strategies. The corporate strategies are related to the objective, to the business, what the company does. So achievement of the cascade objective, and thus the overall objective of the organization. So this company, the business, is offering services in engineering fields in the industrial sector. Business strategies. The business strategies is how the company is able to differentiate from the others' competition. How are they going to do that? How are they going to find the way, to find the services, to find the strategy, to be different and to be the best option for the clients? So the company has a strategy focused in added value. So how are they doing this? Is giving, for example, they have a project, they do the project, and after provide the service, they have some visit to clients, and this helps to connect, to build that connection with the clients, and to see how the project or the equipment, the function of the equipment, how is it doing. And after this build a good connection with the client, and this helps the company to have the opportunity to future business skills. Operational strategies. This is related to how the company is using the resources to develop the projects. Generation and effective and efficient system for the use of resources. So the company offers a greater impact to the clients, to the customer, making the best option with a low cost. All of that is for the achievement of the company's goals, how to get to the client. So there is a part that the company need to think about it, need to make some questions, need to evaluate everything, the process, the politics, the strategies, everything. So that is when the company have to think about it, have to do some questions. So first, think in the environment. Think outside, how the company is working, how the company is in the client eyes, the expectation, what is happening outside. the company is working and all the functional areas are vinculated for the same objective, how they're working and how the resources of the company are using to develop the project. Now I'm going to talk about the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the company. So first, the strengths. The company has a very good group of professionals. They are specialized in the product, good reputation in important market, in important industrial market. Compliance with the execution times established in the planning and quality control. They have good customer loyalty, professional team, and all of these help the company to build a position. The weaknesses. Improvement of cost control in the development of projects according to the planning is how they do in the planning, how they are developing the project. So they are spending more money, or if they are using the resources that was already established in the planning. Lack of personnel for the development of projects. This company works for projects, so sometimes if the company has like 5 or more than 5 projects, and if they work for a project, they will have more people. They will need more people to develop. Lack of financial resources. Sometimes companies, when you do a deal, in that deal, sometimes the company have to provide the services and the product without any money at the beginning. So how the company can be afford that kind of project? How the financial part, how is the company? So now we know that the company has that weaknesses. The threats. Increase of the competition. Every day we can see new brands, new competition around. Market volatility. Lack of customer confidence in national products. Sometimes in some countries, they think that the national products are not enough for them. They are not going to meet their needs. So what they do, they go out of the country to look for the best option. So why? That's why the companies, the national companies, they need to work for it. They need to show that they are able to do it, to do national product is better, or even it's not better, it's going to meet their needs. The opportunities, how the company can see the threats and can become them as opportunities. The opportunities can be develop new products, new technology, quality and variety of products, use of new sales channels, the favorable trends in specific areas of the market. So that analysis to know the strengths and the weaknesses, opportunities and threats of the company, that makes you think in a plan. The company need a plan. How they're going to become that threats in opportunities. They have to measure the risk and they have to act. Which is going to be the action? What are they going to do? If we are going to develop an analysis for a company, it's important to realize what is the company able to and what the company wants, what or where they want to be, and what they want to achieve. So what to do? What the companies need? Attract. Make the company a striking company for the quality of these services and products. to hold back, make the company with the optimal conditions to maintain and progressively increase the confidence of its customers and create an impact on the new customers. To develop, make the company of quality and continuous improvement where customers find services and first-hand products. That means that the company needs to be where the clients need, where the client can find them. So how can you take your company just exactly in the doorstep of the client? To line up the company that articulates the corporate strategies, the business strategies, and the operational strategies. That helps the company to be in the place that they want to be. So, where do you want to be? The company. If you want your company to be a good company, a better company, or the best company. So what you have to do, make a plan, make the decision, and when you have that decision, go for it. Thank you very much.